In this video, I'm going to show you how to export Webflow website. So firstly, go to your Webflow account and log into your account. And from there, you're going to select the website that you want to work on, so that you want to export. So click on it and open it up. So once you open it up, so for example here, so in order to export the code, what we're going to do is click on the big W icon here, which is on your top left, the furthermost left. So click on that icon there. So from there, you'll see there's an option called export code. Click on it. So here you will see your code being generated here. So you have the HTML, the CSS and JavaScript options here. So what you can do, you can simply like manually copy these, okay, copy the entire code here. So you can do that. You can like copy this code here, okay, and export it. And especially if you have the paid plan, okay, if you have the paid plan here, you have the option to like export these to an external server or something like that. So you can, all you have to do once you have the paid plan is click on this export option here and your code will be exported. Other than that, you can also, what you can do manually, you can just copy these code here and then paste it or back it up for your reference. And these are the options and how you can do it. Hope the video was helpful.